Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's white to play and win. These pawns are going downward in this direction to be promoted on the first rank. So I said it's white to play and win. As always, if you would like to pause and guess the move on your own, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. So the first move that comes to your mind is to take this pawn, right? But that is a big blunder because black will just promote here a queen, and when we take the queen, black will just accept the draw, right? So this is just a draw, so black king cannot move anywhere, right? So it's trapped, and obviously this is just a draw and this is winning in the game, so we don't accept a draw. So that is the problem, and playing this is a dumb because black will just play here and we don't have anything to do, right? So this is just winning for black, I think, if correctly played. So this is not the correct move either. So you don't do anything with the king. I mean, black will play here and we don't have anything. You might assume playing this move, assuming this would be checkmate, but yes, the queen can't stop that, but the queen can give a check, right? So this is a check and we have to move the king somewhere. Like, for example, if we move the king here, we are going to lose a piece even. So this is not the correct move either. So if you see this move, you may probably found the first correct move. The first correct move is bishop to d7, sacrificing the bishop. So the idea is, if black promotes into a queen, now we can play bishop to b5, and this is a checkmate threat, and black can't do anything to stop that, right? So the king has got one move and this is just checkmate. And if the queen try to stop the for example, if the queen plays here, that doesn't do anything and the queen has no square to stop this mate, right? So the problem is this pawn is blocking the queen, and the queen cannot do much in this position. So maybe this is the best move for black, and this is just, I think black can escape this way, but we are going to take this and we are easily to win this. So after the first move is actually to play bishop to d7, and the second move is to play b5, right? So the move b5 does not only threaten this checkmate, but also blocks any access by the queen. So the queen can't give a check, right? So if we don't put the bishop on b5, the whole idea will collapse. So this is the correct move. I mean, this is, I think this the rook will take that, but anyway, this is another check. So black king has to move, otherwise the rook would be hanging. So yeah, actually the bishop has to move there to block any potential checks. So this is going to be an unstoppable checkmate. So guys, if you found all of this, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. Bye.